Hello guys! Nagluto ako ng overload Hawaiian sweet ham pizza. Oh, wow! Hindi ko napakita kung paano ko siya ginawa. Pero homemade yan. O, diba? Since it's hot. Just wait for a moment. Love. Mozzarella. Time to try. Ito guys. Here. Super cheesy. Kain tayo. My homemade Hawaiian pizza. It's yummy. Kapag nag-crave ka, pwede ka nang magluto ng sarili mong pizza. See?
How do you cook this? You don't know pala, di ba you're not watching in the phone? How you make this?
Look at Sinsin.
How you make this, Mama?
Secret.
Ah.
Don't play with that, Nanak. It's enough, see? Oh, it's cheese.